Okay. Now today we are going to learn a lesson about a very, very famous cricket player, that is Sachin Tendulkar. Do you know Sachin Tendulkar? What is his full name? Its full name is about Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. But why do we learn about him? Because when we loved someone or we like that game, what do? We just made a collection of his photos, his information. Why do we collect? Because we liked that person, and with that like we made a collage. What? We made collage, a book where we can paste the photos, we can write the information, we can collect about whatever games do he played, and an interesting book is made. Yes. So when we made that book, that time it is called as an collage. Collage means, let me give you the proper definition of the collage. Collage means, is a collage is an artistic arrangement of paper cutouts, pictures, photographs, text, etc. Yes, it's a artistic arrangement. Artistic means what? We paste the photo where they attracts us, they makes us, the book is looks very attractive. Okay. And with what we made that book? We made it with the paper cuttings. In a paper we found the information, we collect the photographs, we write about them. Yes, all this information we paste it in a book or a notebook, and that is called an collage. Okay. You may, some of you may can read it as an college or something, but it's a collage. Okay. What it is called? It is called as a collage. So you can make a collage on a single topic, or many brings together various topics and ideas in a collage. What? When you made a collage, you can write about your own interest. You can write about which person do you like, your favorite leader, your favorite person, mother, whatever. Okay. Your family members, your family, everything. You can make the collage whenever you found the interest. Whenever you are fond of that person, you start collecting the things whenever you found it. Now what happens, now many times we go to the fairs, we go to in a shop, we just go in that and we just found the person who we found of. For example, if there is a corner of your favorite toys, the toys which you liked it, that Chota Bheem or something, you always get attracted towards that. Why do get attracted? Because you are very fond of that cartoon, or you are very fond of that thing. So when you just found of that thing, what do? You just want to have a collection of that things. For example, if your favorite color is pink, you always go and buy the clothes of pink colors. You buy the things, your room is in also in a pink color. So that is the thing where you just get an attract. Yes, it is an attract, artistic. Whatever your feelings are there, you made it attractive. Some of you may be fond of drawing. You always do the drawing, and you made your notebooks properly, the drawing books in a proper place. Yes. So that is called an collage, where your interest and uh, your interest develops. Okay, you give some time to your favorite things, that is called an collage. You may prepare a collection of photographs and information, everything. So let us start about a collage which is made about the Sachin Tendulkar. Okay, this is the collage which is made about a cricketer. You can make about your own favorite actor, actresses, your leader, your mother, your family member, whatever you are fond of, you can make that type of collage. Or you can make the collage of princess, Barbies, the favorite cartoon. Okay. So it's not necessary that you can only paste it. you can draw it, you can write the information, that all things are called collage, but the detailed information should be there in that. Okay, so let us learn about Sachin Tendulkar. Well, you can see the picture. He is the Sachin Tendulkar, the famous or the greatest cricketer. His full name is Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. Okay, and his date of birth is 24th April 1973. Okay, on the 24th of April, he is having his birthday. Now, in what section he is famous? He is famous for his cricket. We all know. So we should know when did he started playing, when did he won the match, or when did he done his sixth or sixer he hitted. Everything we should know. So the first test match which Sachin Tendulkar was played is on 15th November 1989. On what date? He played a cricket first test match about on the March, or the match is about the 15th November 1989, and the match was against the Pakistan. India versus Pakistan. You can imagine the scenario where the Sachin Tendulkar was playing in first time and he was playing against the Pakistan, where he did it. Okay, the first ODI. Okay, ODI means what? So he played it on the 18th December 1989. It was also against the Pakistan. Okay, so in his all his ODs, how many centuries he made? He made up 49 centuries. You can see over here, 49 centuries, and in the half centuries are about 96, and he made the runs about, how many runs he made? He made the run 80,426 runs in his ODI. Okay. Now, what about his test match? In his test match, he made the runs about 15,921. Each and every information you can see, it's looked very nicely, very properly arranged. Yes. And what was his last test match he played? He played on the 14th November 2013, and it was against the West Indies. Okay. Now, his last ODI is about 18th March 2012, and it was against it was versus the Pakistan. Now, Sachin Tendulkar receives the Bharat Ratna, the youngest recipient of the Bharat Ratna. He was the one who was in a very early age was awarded with the Bharat Ratna. You can see the Bharat Ratna over here. Just a minute. This is the Bharat Ratna award. This is the medal given to Sachin Tendulkar. Okay. This is the Bharat Ratna award given to the Sachin Tendulkar. Okay. Now let us see his world records. Well, how many world records did he made? First player to score a double century in men's ODI. What? He was the first person or the first player to score the double century in men's ODI. Okay. And he was the player, he played the highest number of test and ODI matches. He played the highest number, means he is the one who made all the tests, all the matches on the higher number, all the test and the ODI matches. Okay. The only cricketer is to score 100 centuries in international cricket. What? He was the first cricketer He was the first cricketer who scored 100 centuries in international cricket. Now, the only player to score 50 centuries in a test cricket. Those who are interested in cricket, they can easily understand what I'm talking about or what information is mentioned over here. Okay, and the 50 centuries he made it in the test cricket. Okay, now the first batsman, he was the first batsman to score 15,000 runs in the test cricket. He made the 15,000 runs in a test cricket. The world record for having the highest number of world records. He was also the person who made a highest record in world records also. Okay, the person who makes the world record can be only once. Okay, whenever the first person or the first man who done something beyond the boundaries. But about the Sachin Tendulkar, he has made so many world records so that his name was again and again written in the world record. Okay, and that's why he was called as the highest number of world recorder. Okay, now how many honors were given to him? Let us see. The honors given to Sachin, these are, okay, let us see. As we have seen, he was awarded or he was received the Bharat Ratna. Now he received Arjun Award, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Padma Shri Award, Maharashtra Bhushan Award, Padma Vibhushan Award, and as well as I have told you that Bharat Ratna Award. These many awards were, or these many honors were given to Sachin Tendulkar. Okay. So what we are talking about is about the collage. Okay. If you are interested in some other game or if you are interested in something else, you can make the collage of that. It is not necessary to make a collage on Sachin Tendulkar. But a collage is a artistic arrangement. You just have to find out what is your interest and who is your favorite person or what thing is attracts you, and you can make a collection of that. That is called the collage. Okay, it's not necessary or it's not compulsory. It's just an example. Sachin Tendulkar, as we have selected, it's just an example from your book. Okay, what is important that how to make a collage. Whatever your interest, whatever your favorite person is there, you can make a collection of that, or you can paste, or you can write the information about him, and it's called a collage. Okay, that's it. Let us see more about him. The collage is not only about a one page. It's a book where you have to write each and every information or each and every thing which is famous regarding that person. Okay, so here the person who made this collage pasted so many pictures. In the first page also you can see his famous action was given over here. Whenever he goes to the goes for the match, he just show his bat to the audience because he was the favorite of all. When he was playing the cricket, he hit the ball. At the young age, how did he look? Okay, each and every photo was pasted over here. In the second page, you can see so many pictures were pasted. I would just like to know which picture is this. At the end of the lecture, tell me, okay, which picture is this? I'll make it a zoom for you. Just observe the picture, and at the end of the lesson, you are going to tell me when did this picture is being clicked. Which trophy is it? Everything you are going to tell me, okay? I'll just explain the lesson. When he was playing the cricket, you can see over here also. Touching farewell speech. Sachin thanked all the people. Now farewell speech means what? When he left regarding the cricket, what did he gave a speech? And this speech is also mentioned in his collage, that Sachin thanked all the people who had helped him in his life. His parents, family members, relatives, friends, his coach, doctor, trainer, manager, media, and all the people who supported him. Yes, he gave the farewell to, when he gave the farewell speech, he mentioned about everyone. He thanked that. He was a very down to earth person. Okay, he don't have the proud that I'm a cricketer, how should I talk with others. No, he was a very down to earth person, that he always helped the person who is in need. Okay, we are proud of Sachin. And where he was written over here that he was proud of Sachin. Let us see more information about the Sachin Tendulkar. Professor Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar, okay, what was he about his father? Professor Ramesh Tendulkar, Sachin's father was died when the in 1999 World Cup matches were going on. Okay, in the year 1999, when there was a World Cup match is being played, at that time his father died. Sachin returned to India just for a little while and returned immediately. You can imagine how much he was fascinated or how much he was attracted for the game. What did he do? He just came. He just came for the funeral of his father and he returned immediately. Now, in that time, he scored a century. You can see he was in a deep sorrow. He was in a deep that he lost his father. But when he returned immediately for the cricket, for the World Cup 1999, that time he made a century. Unbeaten 140 runs of 101 balls. How many? In only 101 balls, he made 140 runs. In the next match against Kenya, what? At that time, the match was against the Kenya. He dedicated this century to his father. What? He was very fond of his father. Then also he returned back to the cricket. He made a century, and that century he was dedicated. We dedicate something. We said that because of this person, I won this. So he dedicated his century to his father. Now, what Sachin said about his Sir Ramakant Achrekar. Okay, let us see. He said something about his sir, his teacher, Ramakant Achrekar, in his farewell speech. Again, about the farewell speech, we are going to, and it's about his sir. On a lighter note, in the last 29 years, sir has never ever said, well played to me. What did he say? That as I made world records, as I have played very nicely in all these 29 years of my playing, he never said well played. I'll give you the one of example in that Dhakad movie. The last word which was mentioned, that all the time the girls are doing well, but at the end of the movie, the father of that girl said, yes, you did it. That is the world where it can see over here. When the Sachin played for 29 years, his sir never said you well played. Okay. Because he thought I would get complacent and I would stop working hard. What happens now when we possess someone, or when we just keep praising, what happened? We stop doing that. We develop the overconfidence, and that thing the sir doesn't want to. Who was the name? The name was Ramakant Achrekar. He don't want to give overconfidence to the Sachin Tendulkar. That's why he never praised the Sachin Tendulkar. Maybe he can push his luck and wish me now, well done. on my career, because there are no more matches. What did he say? That I wish that now at the end, when I have stopped playing, or when I have stopped, or I have gave up from the playing, can he be now say well done? I hope, because he wants to wish me, or he wants to give me the luck for my uh, forward life, so, or for my career, because there are no more matches, sir, in my life. What did he specially mention? That, sir, please come and say well done, because now from this point onwards, I'm not going to play a cricket. I will be witnessed cricket, and I will be witnessing cricket, and cricket will always stay in my heart. What did the golden words he said? That the cricket will always stay in my heart. As I gave up from the cricket, I'm not going to play. I have retired from that. But then also the cricket will be there in my heart. I'm very fond of the cricket. But you have had an immense contribution in my life. What did he gave? All the contribution, all the things given to the sir. What did he say? That you are immense contribution. You are the only person who gave me the power, or gave me the will to play against this. So you are the immense means very important contribution in my life. So thank you very much. He made a thank you, and he gave devoted everything to his sir, Ramakant Achrekar. Okay. A younger admirer of Sachin Tendulkar has made this collage about the life and work of her favorite cricketer. Okay, who made this collage? We have saw these 2 pages from the collage, where the girl was the favorite cricketer was Sachin Tendulkar. She was at the very young age. She made this collage, and she collected all the information about his life and his work. Okay, you can also make a collage about your favorite sports person or any other personality. As I have mentioned that you can make a collage of yours. It's not necessary to make about the cricketer or to make about your favorite, but you can just whatever you're fond of, you can make a collage. Some are the fond of eating, they love to cook the foods. You can click the pictures, you can cut it, and you can paste it. You can write each and every information. You can write the recipes, you can write the importance of that vitamins, minerals, what is important, what do we get fibers, carbohydrates, whatever your interest, you can develop that in an artistic way, and that artistic way is a book called collage. Okay, that is about the collage. The girl, a younger admirer, made the collage about Sachin Tendulkar. It's a very good example which we have to see. She mentioned about the life, the each and every information about Sachin Tendulkar. When did his father died? How many awards do he have? How many crickets do he played? When did he started playing? When did he ended? Which was the words given by him, or to whom he dedicated his runs and the centuries? Each and every information is mentioned over here. Okay, and that is called a perfect example of a collage. So everything about your favorite personality, for your favorite things. Okay, that is called a collage. You just have to make a collage perfectly about things. Let us see some hard words. I'll just read some hard words for you. The hard words are recipient, means someone who receives something. As I have explained you in the lesson, that he received, or he is the recipient of world's highest number of world records. That is the recipient. Someone who receives something, someone who takes something. Touching means making you feel deeply about something. Media is the we all are aware about the media. It's an organization such as newspaper, television that provides the news and the information. Okay, sitting in a home, we can get the world's information through the media. They are very important to provide us the information regarding all over the world through the news or through giving the information. Complacement means pleased with oneself and making no efforts to improve. As I have explained you in that lesson, complacement, he don't want the Sachin to be overconfident. Yes, Ramakant Acharikar never ever gave him the word well done. Why? Because he don't want to complacent. Because he wants to give more efforts to improve. Okay. Witnessing means watching something. As Sachin Tendulkar, where he mentioned that I'm going to witness the cricket. I'm just going to sit in the audience and I'm going to watch the cricket. But cricket will always in my heart. These are the words. So witnessing means watching something. Immense, as I have told you, immense, great or very, very important. Contribution means someone who gave his own help to develop someone or to being famous. So something that you do in order to help something to be successful. Okay, that are all the meanings which we have came across. Okay, now in the next time, whenever our lecture will be there, I want to see your college. Not in the tomorrow's lecture, but you have to take 1 week you can take and just make a 1 page of collage, whatever your favorite. You can paste the photos, you can cut it from the magazines, newspaper, you can write the information with your hands, you can draw the pictures, whatever, but only 1 page you can make it in your collage, whatever your favorite. Let me see what is your favorite thing. So hope you have all have understood the collage.